Well, since I'm not a fan of these go-go gadget mirrors, and this one's broken, obviously. We did have the original ones that came with the truck, so let's swap those out. So these corner pieces just pop out. Yeah, there's 2 tabs here, and then it just lifts up on the bottom. So pull here and here. Oh, and this one does run through the door, so I do got to take the door card off. All right, we can do that. But if you don't have the power mirrors, you can just undo these 3, and it's that simple. But let's pop this door card off. Let's get that out of there. So this should pop off here. And then we should have a bolt here, and then I do believe this slider here has to pop out. So yeah, just right on the front side here, and it'll go back. And then I'm assuming these are, I don't know, 8mm? It's actually 7mm. And now the door card should just lift up. Set that there, but underneath goes down here, and underneath here these plug in, so you just squeeze the clips and they pop out. All right, now we can take off the mirror here, and these are just 10 mils. Oh, that's tightened. Right, all of your shit just come out. There we go. And to put the new one in, it's just the reverse. Slide that through. Stay. And then we just got to plug this in. Let me see if I can get a good shot so you can see in there. So this just goes in there and then plugs in there. And then we can re-hang the door. Actually, I gotta get that weather stripping that fell out. Let's get that back in there. Wiggle it till it fits. And we'll just put this screw in. Slide our latch in, orange to the back. Just line up that tab, and that just gets pushed in. Put our other screw back in. And our cover plate. And just squeeze our foam in there. Looks foamish. And then this goes in there. And that's it. And just like that, our new mirror is on. New old mirror. Cool.